Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Fine. So, any doubt in yesterday's class? Do you have any doubts? Not only yesterday, any like other doubts?
No, sir.
I'm not audible, huh? Little bit loud, please. No
Okay.
doubts. Fine. So how is your practice going on? Everything is perfect. So are you able to run the various master datas, material master, customer master, stock, initial stock upload, configurations, organization structures,
Yes, sir.
definition, assignment, everything is perfect, right? So there is no any issues.
No, sir.
Fine. Okay. Can you someone tell me what is the effect of PGI? So after the PGI, so what are all the impact you can see?
Inventory gets reduced, and then we see the document flow.
Sorry,
Accounting
little bit
documents get
louder.
generated. Am I not audible? Clearly? Hello?
Others, how about the voice? Is it clear to you?
It is fumbling. Akash, your voice is little bit fumbling.
Okay, let me.
So PGI effect like inventory account credited and COGS account debited, like, and the remove of the stock.
Okay, correct.
Document flow is created.
Document.
Billing due list.
So
also
document
created.
flow get updated. So document flow get updated, and the billing due list also will be get updated. So you have to say these four data. One is a accounting entries, right? The material document get generated. Accounting entries is nothing but a material document get generated in the material document or inventory document. You can say material document or inventory document, both one and same, in which you have to say the cost of goods sold debited to inventory account credited. Okay. And then secondly, your stock from the plant storage location will get reduced. Okay. And third, your document flow will get updated. And last, the billing due list VF0 is also get updated. This is the effect of PGI. So what is the T code for reversal of PGI?
VL09.
VL09.
VL09. Fine. Okay. And what is the effect of the billing document, invoice document? Once the billing document is generated, so what are all the FI entries? Journal entry, right? Billing posting to the FI entry. What is that? Customer account
Revenue
debited
account
to,
generated.
yeah, that revenue account generated, correct, but you have to say the FI entries. One is a customer account get debited to sales revenue account credited. Okay, whatever the revenue is there now, so that is reflecting in the account, but it is not at the side. So because your material has been transferred to the customer, and where customer account get debited means customer account is updated with the outstanding amount. So it will be updated with the revenue in terms of material. Material will be converted into the customers in customers books of account. The money will be debited means added in terms of material. Whereas the company's account sales revenue account credited means it will show negative. Why it will show negative? Because it is a customer outstanding. Once customer make payment, okay, once customer make the payment, then only it will be reconciled. How customer, once the customer will make the payment now, usually the FIT here, the sales revenue is now, this is nothing but a customer outstanding. It will show in the negative. It will show in negative. Here, once customer make payment or settle the payment to company, okay, the FI team means finance team, end user will do the FI entries by using T code F-28. This is the T code. So where they will enter the financial entries of incoming payment, account receivables. Okay. And here you can see the customer outstanding by T code card FBL5. So we can see the customer outstanding on FBL5N. And even that is related to the finance. But just for your information purpose, for the higher knowledge purpose, I am telling the what are all the finance entries will be done. How this account will be reconciled. So if you receive the incoming payment, then whatever the sales revenue it is showing in negative, so it will be knocked off. Then you will get a money in your company's account. Then customer bank account will be in negative. In customer's bank account will be negative. So it means reduced.
Sir, one doubt.
Yeah.
Can you come to that
Continue.
screen?
Sorry.
Can you come to that Excel screen?
Yeah.
So you said yesterday, right, that the credit and debit is reverse in SAP, but here in the FI section, it's correct, right? That a customer account gets debited and sales revenue account gets credited. Whereas you were saying in the PGI, it's the process is somewhat different or reversed.
Yes, as I said, debit means it is positive. Debit means is positive in SAP. Whereas in customer, okay, in customer is out of SAP, right?
Yeah.
So his bank account will be like get negative. Negative means it will be debit.
Correct. So whatever you were saying, that is applicable only for a PJ effect, not for FI entries, right?
No.
Okay, fine. Hello?
Yeah.
I'm audible, right?
Yes.
Okay, got it, sir.
Yeah. Can you repeat the what is the next last sentence which you had?
Yeah, so my I was saying like whatever follow in regular life, right? That is only for FI entries, but when it comes to PJ effect, it's reverse, right?
So PGI and both the revenue, it is one and same only. See here the debit.
Mm-hmm.
Both are positive only.
Okay.
And here inventory credited means sales account credited means it is negative. Right? Both one and same. But when it at customer level,
Mm-hmm.
end customer is out of my company.
Correct.
It is not my book of accounts. It is a customer book of account.
Yeah.
There in the bank account. So I'm mentioning the bank account. Customer bank account will be debited.
Correct.
Whenever he is making the payment, settling the payment against the invoice, okay, the customer's bank account get debited. Means it will be reduced.
Correct.
Okay. And don't put much thinking on the or whatever may be the extra like information on the customer part. So our role is only to complete the billing, and we have to ensure that it has to be posted to FI entries. If you go in deep again, plus and minus, again it will be a confusion parameters. Okay, in real life and in the SAP.
Okay, sir.
Because how we say salary is credited, then credited means array sir is saying it is negative, whereas credited means my account is adding, right? Your salary is added to your
Mm-hmm.
account. So don't be confused in that. Okay, in that way. So just understand this concept. That's it. Enough.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So these are all the entries. Then if you want to see, let me complete the first scenario. Okay. I want to show you the entire OTC cycle. Let me start from the beginning. Okay. Let me start from the beginning today. So let me write first inquiry, quotation, sales order, right? Then delivery, OBD, outbound delivery. What is the T code?
VL01.
Please interact. Huh? So I'm reasoning only Akash wise. Why can't others? Okay. Please be interactive. Then only you will get like freshness, and you can more interact means you will get more knowledge. Okay. Then pick, pack, PGI. This will be done in VL01N also. I'm showing two step. It is VL02N. Okay. Again, this is a LF document type only. This is a delivery document type. And finally, let me show one more billing due list also. This is not part of OTC, but I will show in the billing due list because I want to show you the PGI effect. Okay. Billing due list, VF. And last, billing or invoicing. VF0. Here, the document type is F2. Then last, F5 posting. Otherwise, billing doc release to FI entries. FI entries. VF02 or let me see. VF3. Right, VFX3. I will explain you what is that, huh? Don't worry. So now let's start one by one. Let's start one by one. We'll see the process. /n VA. What is the inquiry T code? VA11. And what is the document type? Document type is IN. Here you will enter IN. Then use your sales area for which you are selling your product, right? Then after this, press enter. Then enter your customer. Okay. Then customer reference number, test, whatever may be, INQ01. Okay. And reference date is today's date. Okay. Validity. So from today to till maybe tomorrow. Okay. And I will enter the material, Sony LED TV, and quantity of 5 quantity. Okay. Just enter. Okay. Let me, I have changed some settings. Let me go quickly change the setting. MM02. This is not part of OTC. Okay. Just I made the setting in the morning. Okay. Because I was testing something. Me select this, delete. Now use LED TV and 5 quantity. /n VA11, enter. Because I have to exit and again I have to re-enter. Otherwise, it will not take whatever you have done setting now. So that will be not okay. Not will have the impact. So because I have to exit from the current system and start with the new session, then only whatever you have configured now, that impact will be okay. Impact will be come into the new process. Now we'll enter the customer reference date and material quantity, valid from and valid to. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 entries in the inquiry. Press enter. Okay. Then see the, if you want to maintain the pricing, you can maintain. Otherwise, you can leave it. Okay. Not mandatory. And you can see the item category AFN and schedule line category 80. Okay. Just observe this. Okay. Don't go in depth. That's it. Okay. As of now. And edit in completion log. So document is complete. Save this. Once saved, it will be generated with the inquiry document number. So you will get a inquiry document. So click on the display icon, copy this, okay, and save here. So let us go and create the quotation. What is the T code for quotation? VA
21.
21. Enter. Okay. Now what is the document type for quotation?
QT.
QT. So QT, here create with reference, inquiry. What is the inquiry number? This is the inquiry number. Okay. Then copy, click on copy. So it will automatically get copied. Next, test. Here, I will mention QT. Port 01, reference date, today's date, valid from 04 automatically it was taken, valid to, I will mention till end of this month. Okay, 5 quantity, same 5 quantity I am maintaining. If you want to change, you can change, there is no problem. Okay, now quotation will must have a pricing, because you have to submit to the customer, right? You have to submit to the customer. Now I am entering the price PR00, PR00 is the selling price or base price. The condition type for the base price is PR00. Enter. So it get automatically updated because I have maintained the condition record. So if you click on this, you see this, I have a condition record already. Otherwise, if it is not getting, means it will be blank. It will show blank. Then you can enter manually. So let us say I will maintain 11,000. Okay, my profit is 1,000 because my BPRS initial cost is 10,000. How you are getting this? It is there in the material master, in the accounting view. See here. This price is coming here. Okay. Now check. Just observe the item category. Item category is Asian. Okay. And schedule line category for the quotation is BN. Okay. In inquiry, it was AFN, and in schedule line, the schedule line category was 80. So just observe, this will be helpful for next further in future. Some topics are there that will be helpful for that if you understand now. Okay. Go to edit, check the incompletion log. So if document is complete, then click on save. Now quotation document has been created. If you click on the display icon, you will get the quotations. Okay. Now third step is sales order, the conversion of order. Okay. And in last, I will explain on two things in the one thing in inquiry and one thing in the quotation. Observed or not, I will explain. Okay, the quotation and inquiry. Enter. Okay, what is the standard order type or document type for the sales order? It is OR. Okay, OR. Then create with reference. Now take the quotation. What is the quotation number which we have created recently? This is the quotation. Copy here, paste here, copy and paste here. Then click on copy. So you will get automatical all the details. So just go enter the customer reference, test OTC 01. Okay. Enter the customer reference date. Okay. Then double click on this. Item category is TAN. Go to conditions tab. You can see the pricing. If you want to change the price, you can change it, or else you can leave as it is. Okay. You can see the net price of the total net price is 55,000. Okay. And schedule line category is CL. Okay. And delivery date, it is a, because of, so based on the stock availability, it is proposing the 2 days delivery date only. Means stock is available. See, if you go to new window, check the MMBE MMB, Sony LED TV, execute. See, 83 stock, enough stock is there. So we have enough stock. So because of that, delivery date is proposing today's date only. See, confirmed quantity is 5. So you can able to create the delivery document. So go to edit, check in completion log. Document is complete. Save. Now order has been created. So go to display, copy it, and paste here. Okay. Now let us go T code. What is the T code for the delivery? VL01N /N VL01N. Here AH 28 is the shipping point. Okay. Enter the shipping point and use the sales order number 76. Enter. So you got the screen. Okay. In this screen, you have to go to the picking tab. Okay. Under this picking tab, okay, you can update the details or else you can just simply save. Okay. Click on the save icon. Okay. Just simply save this. The document is saved. So outbound delivery is created. The outbound delivery is, if you want to see outbound delivery, go to display. Okay. Display. See. Copy this and save this. Otherwise, you can enter the T code also. VL03N. This is a display. Enter. See, automatically you will get the recently created the delivery document. If you go enter inside, again you can see the delivery document. Okay. And you may ask the question, sir, where is the LF document? How I can identify the delivery type is LF, where it will be available. So this is the delivery document. This cup icon is there, right? Cup icon is nothing but a header details. Click on the header details. Go to administration. Go to administration. You can see the delivery document. See, delivery type is LF. Okay. Now, next process is what? Pick pack PGI. What is that? VL02N. VL02N. Enter. So what is the delivery document? This is the delivery document. 51. See, 51. Enter. Go to picking tab. Enter your storage location. So if you double click F4 button or side icon, you will get the storage location. And pick quantity. Let me take, I will 2 quantity. Okay, I will enter 2 quantity, then press enter. Okay, press enter. So now I'm picking 2 quantity out of 5 quantity. Okay, I have entered the storage location, I have entered the picking quantity, whereas delivery quantity automatically it is coming from sales order. Okay, now let's try to do the PGI. Whether PGI will happens? Can anyone? If I post PGI, whether it happens?
We have to do 5 pick quantity.
Let me show you. Click on PGI.
Sir, your voice is
You
breaking.
Yes, sir.
Now it is audible.
Yeah. Sir, in middle it's going like 5 minutes, after 5 minutes or 6 minutes.
Okay, fine. Sorry. So now, if I enter the 2 quantity and delivery quantity, it is coming from my sale order, and picking quantity I am entering manually. if I do posting PGI, click on the PGI, I'm getting the error. What is that? Delivery has not yet been picked completely. Means the delivery quantity, the delivery quantity shows 5 quantity, whereas you are picking only 2 quantity. Pick the full quantity. So how you can see here? See, you can see overall picking status is B. See, B means partially picked. If you want to deliver partially, only 2 quantity means you have to change either delivery quantity, which is equal to pick quantity, or else whatever the 5 quantity it is there, you have to pick the entire quantity. So if I enter 2 and 2, okay, enter, try to post goods issue. I am making the first partial entries. Okay, let me post partial picking. See, once I enter 2, 2, it is showing C. Otherwise, if I make it 3, enter, see, it is showing B, partially picked. So if I make it again this 3, see, it is showing C. You can see here also status overview. So here it will be showing as a picking quantity as C, picking as C. Whereas goods movement, it is A, still not yet done, and billing also not yet done. You can see here. A means what? A means not yet processed. B means partially processed. C means completely processed. So because here I am picked full quantity, 3, 3. So it is showing 1. So it is showing as a fully picked. Okay. Let me post the PGI. So I have changed to 5 to 3. And here also 3. Let me post. Whether posting will happen, you can see. Post the entries. Posting done. So I created the delivery document. At that time, only outbound delivery 800000051 has created. Like that, you got the message. Now, if I do the PGI, so you are getting, along with the delivery document, you are getting the material document. This material document is nothing but a this one.
PGI effect.
Yes, this is a PGI effect. We can see PGI effect one by one. So let us go. First impact is material document or inventory document. Okay, how you can see that? Just click on this document flow. Click on the document flow. Okay, click on the document flow. You can observe. Okay, you can observe each and every preceding document. Now where we are at PGI done, right? We are here. So before PGI, what are all the preceding documents? You have the picking, you have the outbound delivery, you have the sales order, you have the quotation, you have the inquiry. Okay, so you can see here where see inquiry 1000005 and quotation 2 all zeros 5 and sales order 76. Okay, and outbound delivery this thing. Okay, and you can enter the pick pack PGI. You can enter here. Picking means just display. This is a not document. Only picking is a one number. It is a just number. It will be getting generated. Picking is a not the document. Picking is a just, it is a process where once you done the picking, the number will get updated. Okay. And here the goods issue. So this is the material document. This is the inventory document. This is the effect of PGI. If you want to see the effect, select this, click on the display document. Okay, click on the display document. Okay, after this, you will get this information. Okay, you can see the movement type also 601. Okay, and click on the document information. Click on the document information tab. You will see the FI document tab. Okay, just click on this. you will get a accounting document number. If you double click this is the entries. As I said, inventory, finished goods inventory get credited. Okay, get credited, inventory get credited to COGS account debited. Debited means positive, right? You can see here. COGS account debited means positive. See, plus 30,000. And inventory account credited means negative. Inventory account is minus 30,000. Okay, this is the GL number. Where you have done, you can see here OBYC. OBYC. This is a MMSFI integration. If you go GBB. What is my chart of account? CHOA. What is that? Sorry, CHOA. YCOA, right? YCOA. YCOA. YCOA is my chart of account. Press enter. Okay. So if you see 7920 BSA, this is a BSA, is a general modification and value. Group code is 001 and this is 7920. 3991200. Yeah, actually 3991200 is it should come. Why this is not coming from? Let me go here. BSX. BSX. 7920001 134 all zeros. This is coming correctly. What is that? Inventory of finished goods. COGS 503000. GBB 503. Oh, sorry, BSA is material upload. Correct. So I forget. BSA is the material upload. This will be a for during the material upload we are using, right? This BSA we are using at the time of uploading the stock, right? This is the uploading at the stock. And whereas this one, general mode with blank 01920, this is the 503 all zeros. 503 all zeros. This is how about the MM and FI integration done by the MM concept. This is out of box. Just I am showing you where you can find this GL account. Okay. And you have seen the debit and credit entries. Credit and debit entries. Okay. This is the effect of PGI. And next, what is the effect? FI entries you have seen. Document flow get updated, right? Document flow you are seeing right here. See, this is the document flow. Once you do the PGI, if you go to the change outbound delivery or display outbound delivery, click on the document flow. See, it is goods issue get generated, right? This is get updated. This is the document flow. If this number is not generated, means there is no PGI effect. The accounting entries are not generated. Something configurational issue. MMSDFI integration is wrong. So you have not correctly configured the system or process. If this number is not generated. Okay. If this number is reflecting, means this is the document flow get updated. And last, inventory will get reduced. So if you see the inventory, So earlier 83, right? Now just I'm refreshing. See, 80, because I have done a PGA for the 3 quantities, right? We go display. So how much quantity? 3 quantities. Earlier 83 is the stock. If you minus 3, it will be 80, right? This is the third impact. And fourth impact, billing due list get updated. If you go VF0, VF04, so just observe this number, okay? This number, outbound delivery number, 51, okay? Just close this, go to VF04, billing due list, T code for the billing due list, and date I'm taking from randomly, you can take from any date, no problem. Okay, just I will enter my sales organization as AS28. AS28. Now just execute. See, this is the only one document which is pending for the billing. 8 all zeros 51. 8 all zeros 51. This is also the PGI effect. If you are not done PGI, if you are coming to this VF0 T code, if you execute it, there is no any pending due list for the billing. This report says this delivery document already PGI has been completed. You can go for the billing. You can go for the billing process. And you can do the billing from here also. Okay. You can do the billing from here also instead of going to VF01. Instead of going to VF01, you can directly do the billing from here. Just you have to click on this individual billing document. Okay. I am not going now. So I will see. Anyhow, I have done the partial entries, right? Partial delivery. So I will show again next process. Okay. So create billing document /n. So what is the next step? Next step is, so I have done this. Let me update the document also here. Copy. This is a, I will mention, this is a material or accounting document.
Sir, you haven't performed packing right.
Packing is a warehouse. It is not the part of, okay, it is not part of the SD. If there is a warehouse model integrated with the SD, then only it is applicable. Usually, normally we do the packing, but in real scenario, there is no packing. Okay, because only if the company is having warehouse model, then only they do the packing process. Otherwise, no one will do. If you want to see where the packing will be done, means just there is an icon.
Yeah.
This is packing.
Correct.
Okay. So this is
We have to maintain handling units, right, for that.
Yeah, that is a part of warehouse. Again, the handling units. HU means handling units. Okay. So don't go in deep of the again warehouse model. It is out of box. That's why I didn't explain. Okay.
Okay, so yeah.
Because again, it will be very confusion if you go for the WM model. So just pick kind PGI. So just for the explanation, theoretical explanation purpose, you can see, you can explain pack. Okay. But in real, we are not having, if we do not have warehouse module, we are not going to do, even though it is not part of SD. Okay.
Yeah.
Then VF01, last process is VF01. We have seen this, right? VF04, we have seen. Now I'm going to invoicing, billing creation. VF01, enter. So once you enter VF01, automatically the delivery document will come. This one. Okay. So it indicates you are doing a billing. You are doing a billing with reference to delivery. With reference to delivery. Here you can say this is a delivery related billing. There are two types of billing. One is a order related billing, another is a delivery related billing. Okay. And this is one of the important parameter also you can see in the item category configuration. Okay. As of now, just remember it is a delivery related billing. Let me show you again. Go back. VF01, enter. So this is the document automatically coming. If it is a blank, okay, if it is a blank, what you have to do? You have to copy this delivery number and you have to paste here. Okay, enter. So this error will come. I will show you how this will be eliminated. Again, press enter. Again, this is a just warning message. That is also warning message. This is also warning message. I will explain you how it can be removed. As of now, ignore this. Enter. So you will be entered into the billing screen. So whenever you entered into the billing screen, normally you have to check the any log. Error log is there or not. So there is no error log. So go to edit, click on the log. So you can see the error log. So there is no error log. So it means you can go for the billing creation. So you can see the F2. F2 is the billing type. So F2 is the billing type. This is a standard billing type. Okay, you can see many billing types here. Just click on the save button. Again, there is a warning message. Enter. Again, there is a warning message. Enter. Now, document got generated. This is a invoice document. So if you go here, display button, see, you will get this document. Copy this and paste here. Now, how you can see the billing effect? How you can see the billing effect? See this entries. This entries you can see by clicking on the accounting log. Okay, just enter the number here. Don't press enter. Without pressing enter, just click on the accounting tab. See, this is the accounting entries. Here, the customer account. Customer account. This is my customer. This customer account get debited to revenue, domestic revenue account get credited. It is nothing but a sales revenue. Domestic sales revenue account get credited. And this 41 all zeros, where it will be having. So just I want to show you where it will be having BKOA setting. Selection by content, sales organization, enter. My sales organization is AS28, enter. See, 41 all zeros. 41 all zeros. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If you want to see the document flow, you can see here also. Display document flow. See, this is inquiry, this is quotation, this is order, this is delivery, this is billing, this is a accounting entries. Journal entry is showing as a not cleared. Why? Why? Can anyone tell me? This and this still it is showing in process and one is not cleared.
Sir, we have to clear it with using decode.
FIT, F28.
Correct. So F28, whatever I explained, na? F28. This is F28. F28. After the receipt of the payment from the customer, if they do the entries, okay, F28, by using this document number, they will post the entries, they will receive the monies. Once it is done, it will be knocked off and it will be showing as a status as a complete. And this is part of FIT. Okay. And this, why this is in process? Standard order.
As
I
it
have
is,
completed delivery and
we have done only 3 quantities. So
whereas my sale order is 5 quantity.
Fine.
Right? It means still I have to complete the order quantity. I have to fulfill the complete delivery quantity to customer, right? So
yes, sir.
here
Yes.
you can see standard order, display document. See, this is my 5 quantity. If you go for the last, you can see the overall status is in process. Okay. And if you double click on this, okay, if you double click on this, you can see the status also. It is in process. Overall status is in process, and you can see the delivery status as partially delivered. Otherwise, this is a item level. If you go to the header level means this level. If you double click this, this is a item level. Okay. And if you click this icon, it is a header level. In header level also, there is a status tab. So you can see the in process. Overall status is in process and delivery status is partially delivered. Okay. So this is about the OTC cycle. And so why here it is picking and the material document is not reflecting means you have to go to the outbound delivery and display it. Then you have to click on the document flow. So to get the information of picking and PGI, so you have to go to the delivery document. In the delivery document, you have to click the document flow. Then you will get the entire process. Now it's showing in process. Let me quickly complete this status. I will convert it into completed. Okay, let me go quickly. Let me go. I will show you this time shortcut method. Let me go VA02. VA02. Enter. This is my sales order document. Click on this. Yes. Oh, no, sorry. Press enter. Okay. Press enter. Click on this. Click on the deliver. So you will be directly switching into the delivery screen. So now I am entering the storage location. So here automatically the delivery quantity showing 2. 5 minus 3 because 3 already delivered. Now leftover is 2 quantity. Now you enter, pick the all full quantity, 2 quantity, press enter. You can see the full quantity. If you come to the status overview, you can see here. Okay. In goods movement, you can see the 601 type. Okay. Then go to the picking tab. So storage location entered, picking quantity entered. Just click on the PGI. Done. See, material document number also get generated. If you want to see this, go to outbound delivery, change the screen. See, this is the delivery document. Okay. Copy this. Let me paste here. And click on the document flow. See, this is the 80 is the material document number. Click on this display document. Click on the document information. Click on the FI document. double click on the accounting document, you can see the PGI effect. Inventory account credited to COGS account debited. So I am copying the material document, pasting here. Here. Now this process is complete. Go back. Okay. Go back. So now PGI done. What is next? You have to see the billing due list. /NVF04. Enter. Date randomly put, and this is my sales organization. Execute. See 52. 52. So 51 is gayab. 51 chala gaya. Because 51 already we have posted the billing document. Where billing document is not created, so for which it will show the pending. So now I am going to create the billing from this screen. Okay, billing from this screen. So just select this, click on the individual billing document. So you will be entered to the VF01 screen. See, VF01 screen. So this is a warning message. Enter. Again, enter. You can see here. If you want to see the pricing, you can see the pricing. Just select, click on this and click on this icon. You can see the pricing, and you can able to update the manual pricing also. Again, you can change here. Someone has asked what are all the parameters. So before FI posting, means billing document posting to FI entries, we can change the entries. What are all the entries can be edited? One is a pricing. Okay, this is a interview questions. Okay, interview question. In interview, they will ask. So there is a one billing document. The billing document get generated already. I have posted the billing document, and where billing document is not released to the FI entries. Okay, billing document is not released to FI. Document is not yet generated. In such scenario, if you want to change the billing document, it means VF02, what are all the editable entries? What are all the data which you can change? You have to answer. One is a pricing. Okay. Another is go to see here. Okay, go to see here. Account assignment group for the material. You can change this. Okay. And go to item partner. No entries. Conditions. This entries. You can enter the text also. You can enter the text also. PO data. There is no entries. Whatever all the editable items are there, that only will be showing with the editable option. Otherwise, all are grayed out. So here refund code also there. So this is related to the finance team. It is not related to us. And again, this is item level. If you go to the header level, so again, account assignment group for the customer and the billing date. You can change the billing data also. You can change the billing date also. You can change the domestic revenue also. That is account assignment group for the customer. And parallelly, you can change the tax classification for the customer. If the customer wants to change the tax classification, you can change for this, and you can change the country of the sales tax, country of the tax. So these data can be changed during the change billing. Header text also you can add. Header text also you can add. Header text also you can add here. So go back. Now I'm clicking on the save. Enter. Enter. Done. Saved. Still it is showing, means just go back. Just it is go back. Again you can re-execute. So that will be gone. There is no pending for the billing. There is no delivery document. For that delivery document, if you have done PGI, so it will be showing here. If there is no PGI done means it will not show here. If you have done for the PGI also, if you have done billing means it will not show here. This is about the OTC cycle. So again, go here. Let me close this. Go to VF02, enter. This is the billing document. Copy this. Again, I will paste here. Sure. Okay. I will paste here. Then, if you go to the document flow, you can see two cycles, two OTC cycles. So let me go inquiry, click on the display, click on the document flow. Then you can see two OTC cycles. See, all status got completed, only except the journal entries. This journal entry can be make it completed with the help of FI posting. If the customer make the payment, the finance department will make the accounting entries, then it will be turned to completion. See, everything has got completed. You can see inquiry, quotation, standard order, delivery, picking, PGI, then invoice, then first OTC journal entry. Next, second OTC, again order, delivery, picking, PGI, invoice, and accounting entries. So total quantity is, order quantity is 5. Initially we have delivered 3 quantity. Next we have delivered 2 quantities. The sales order value is 55,000. Initially we have invoiced 33,000. Next we have invoiced 22,000. So total together it is 55,000. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Fine. So hope everyone is clear. Shriya, Srivani,
No doubt, sir.
Srivani, Srivani is there. Wh- Why can't you speak? Okay, no problem. Got it, got it. Suchita, Suchita, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Or you have any doubts? Rajlakshmi?
No doubt, sir.
Fine. Nagesh?
No doubt, sir.
Fine, fine. Kishore, Naresh, Akash, if you have any doubt, please ask. And Teju.
No,
Sure,
sir.
Right. So this OTC has been completed. Okay. Now I want to show you VF02. Normally, for example, if there is a accounting document is not released, for example, accounting entries is not generated. If you click this now, so you will get the accounting entries details. Sometimes there is a error. Okay, sometimes accounting entries will not be get generated. If you click this, so it will throw an error. There is a accounting error. Okay, then what you have to do? Just enter your billing document number here. Just click on the release to accounting. Then again, if you are getting error, so we have to fix that error. So there are multiple error you may face. So those kind of error, if you are facing now, let me know. Okay, I will explain how to fix those error. That is one. This is a one type of releasing the FI entries. Okay, releasing your billing document to FI entries. As I mentioned here, VF02, right? Billing document released to FI entries. If it is not released, you can use this green flag. Otherwise, you can use another T code VFX3. There is a interview question. Okay, if I have a multiple billing documents, for example, maybe 10, 15 billing documents, where for those the billing posting to FI entries is not yet done. How you will do the bulk posting? Just what you have to do, just you have to input your sales organization, and you can enter just the date, random date from date to date. I am taking from March to till date. Okay, so just execute here. So it will show there are no documents are pending. If you cross check, what you have to do? Open new window. There is a T code, right? VF051. List of billing documents. I am taking only my sales organization AS28, and I want to see the open billing documents. Open billing means the billing documents which is not released to the FI entries. Execute. See, there is no documents. So because of this, here also it is showing no documents. Suppose, let me, there is a one setting. Okay, let me go VOFA, enter. This is a billing types, define billing types. Just I'm going to F2 standard billing types. Double click this. See, there is a posting block as I explained here earlier. If you remember this one, posting block. If this is blank, automatic posting will happen. If I make it active, so automatic posting will not happen. So let me show you quickly. Save this. Quickly save this configuration. Quickly create one sales order. I will go with the direct sales order. VA01. Enter. Standard document type is OR. Enter. Quickly enter the customer. Quickly test OTC. Date. Material. Quantity 1. Enter. Continue. You ignore about that tab. I will explain you during the VO8 configuration. Go here. It is. Enter. So this is the price. This is the item category. And if you want these lines, CL. Okay. Then edit, incompletion log, save. So this is the sales order has been created. Go to display. This is the sales order. Go to sales document. Click on delivery. Okay, picking. Here enter your storage location, enter the picking quantity 1, enter, then post. So this is done. Now next is go to /n VF01 billing. Enter. So this is the billing document, so delivery document which created. Enter, 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 click on save. Enter, enter. See, document 90058 saved, but no general entry generated. No general entry generated means this billing document has not released to FI entries. Go to VF02/n VF02, enter. Okay, if you click on the accounting entries, see, it will show the journal entry has not been created. So if you want to release this manually, you have to click this. Otherwise, I will show you another. This one. This one. Let me show you the open billing list. /n VF05N. Enter. Remove this. I want to show the open billing documents AS28 because as now one created which is not released to FI entries. Click this. See, you will get the 58 document number. See, this is the 58 document. And you can see here also where VFX3. VFX3. Enter. So just randomly input date and execute. See, like this, there are n number of document will be there. This is one row, another row. So like this, 58, 59, 60, 61, like this it will come. If you just select all, then click on this, all will be released to FI entries. So this is a process of bulk billing document which is pending for the FI entries. You can post bulk entries to FI entries. Now I am going with the VF02. Okay, just I want to show you the VF02 process. Again, I'm starting with new /n VF02. Enter. This is my document. Click on this. Okay, press enter. Press enter. Document got checked. If this message if you get this message, it means your accounting entries has been posted to FI entries. See, if you click on this, you will get. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Any doubts? Any other doubts? So let me go quickly. VOFA, VOFA. Enter. F2 is the billing standard billing type. Double click. I'm resetting the standard configuration as it is because I don't want to disturb the standard document types. Save this. Okay. And today I thought to explain the structure of sales document. Before starting the structure of sales document, any doubts? Quickly.
No, sir.
Everyone, hope everyone, all your doubts, whatever may be the doubts, you can ask. So otherwise, we'll start next topic, structure of sales document. So let me go structure of sales document. I will show you quickly. VA03. This is the sales order display. Okay. Sales order display. Just enter. Okay, whatever you're seeing, this is the main sales order screen. Okay, this sales order screen is divided into three parts. One is a header level data, item level data, schedule line level data, where you will see these three data. If you go here in the sales document, this is the icon. It will be switching to your header level data. Whatever you are seeing this, whatever you are seeing the many tabs, right? Sales tab, shipping tab, billing plan tab, okay, and accounting tab, condition tab. So many tabs are there. So whatever you are seeing here, these are all the header data. Okay. And next, item data. Item data, if you double click the item, whatever you are seeing here, except this schedule line, so all are item data. And within the item data, you will see the schedule line data. Okay. In header data, you can see the document type. What is the document type? What is the sales area? What is the sales office? What is the sales group? What is your pricing procedure? Okay, what is the document currency? And what is the pricing date? What is the sales district? What is the sales order date? Okay, when it was created? Who has created? Okay, at what time it was created? And in shipping tab, you will have a shipping condition. It is in header. Okay, so shipping tab will be there in item also. If you go back, double click shipping tab. In shipping tab item level, you will have a planned and shipping point. So let us go one by one. So header data. Header data is the data which is applicable. Okay, which is applicable to entire sales document. Entire sales document. Whatever this header data is there, this whatever the so many tabs data is there, this is applicable for entire sales document. Entire sales document means the document 70 sales order. This 77 is the sales document number. This sales order document, if it is having a n number of items, for example, this is Sony TV, here iPhone, here again LG TV, here again the refrigerator. So many items will be there. But for all the items, the same data will be applicable. This header data will be applicable for all the level of items. So this is called as a header data. Okay. And header data is applicable to all the items within the sales document. And the source of header data. Source means how the header data automatically it is coming. So how source means this OR, where it is coming, and this sales area, where it is coming, and this sales office, where it is coming, and this sales group, how it is automatically coming into the header level. And in shipping tab, how this 01 automatically coming, and this total weight, how it is coming automatically. So billing document, how this Incoterms, CF and Incoterm version and the terms of payment and the this company code and the what is the payment guarantee card, whatever may be the data, how this is coming to your header level data. So there is a source of data which is coming from, one is a customer master, it is coming from customer master. For example, let me open new screen. VA01, enter. So this is the, again, this document type is coming from this main screen only. Enter. See, if I click on this, it will not allow, because it will ask first you enter the sold to party, means the buyer. Okay, if you enter the buyer, then it will be allowed to enter into the. So let me ignore this. Okay, see, directly you are switching to the header level data. Enter this. See, this data is coming. This data is coming from this customer. Right? If you go here, see, AS28, AS0, and in tab, we have a AS28 plan in condition 01. In billing, yeah,
Sir, your voice is breaking and screen is lagging.
maybe network
Hello?
issue. Now,
Yeah, now it's fine.
so
Your
due to
screen is
some
lagging,
network
sir.
issue, no?
Okay.
One minute. Now it is fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
For everyone, it is same. How? Others?
Yes, sir. It's
Others?
lagging.
Yeah, sir, it's same, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir, it's same.
Okay, okay. So now, whatever the header data is there, the source of header data is customer. Okay. The first source of header data is the customer. See, if there is a network issue, now it will be getting logged off automatically. OR AS28, A0, A0, enter. First enter the customer, enter, ignore. So go to header data. See these data, whatever may be the header level data, the reason for getting these many data is where is the source? The source is here, customer master. And some of the information which is coming from material master also, and some of the information which is coming from configuration of pricing procedure. Okay. And another is control data, which is in VO-V8 configuration. So these are all the source of header data. From these settings, you are getting the information of the each and every field. And header data is controlled by what? This will be controlled by your order type. What the order type? This one. Here. The entire behavior of the order document will be controlled by OR. Okay. So this we are going to discuss in detail during the KDS. KDS chapter will be there. If you go here, course content, here, key data structure. So order type. We can see so many configurational settings within the order type. So usually the T code is VO-V8. Actually, VO-V8 is the order type configuration. See, maintain sales order type. If you go for the OR, so many configuration settings are there. See, so many number range, item increment, okay, document category, document block, okay, check division, item division, and here see this delivery type. This is also one of the important parameter. Because of this setting also, you are getting the LF in your delivery document, and this is also important parameter. Because of this, you are getting the F2 in your billing document. So many parameters are there, and whenever you are entering, so you are getting this message, quotation message or contract message because of this setting. Okay, so many settings, so many configuration settings are there. So those settings, because of those settings, you are getting the header data information. So the source of information is control data VOV8 means this one. Okay. So anyhow, today already time is over. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll continue tomorrow. Item data and schedule line data, and followed by I will explain tomorrow one item proposal, and parallelly I will explain this. Tomorrow item proposal and determinations. After these all, I will explain you the common distribution channel and divisions.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir, as of now.
Others?
No, sir.
So
No, sir.
my request is, so we have completed so many topics. Try to, try to hands-on, try to do more hands-on in the system. Get expertise, become an expertise. If you more do the interaction, like transaction in the system, then you will get more experience. If you are not practicing, then it is very difficult for you guys. Okay.
Sir, have you prepared interview questions for other topics other than enterprise structure?
Customer master is done, so that I will be shared by another 1 or 2 days. Okay.
Yeah.
Other than this, any doubts?
No.
So
No, sir.
how about practice? Everyone's, whether you are getting time. If you have 5 minutes time, I will explain Naresh doubt. Naresh, you have a BP configuration doubt, right?
Yes, sir.
So there are two parameters, okay, in the BP configuration. Okay, if you go, one is, let me open that Excel sheet quickly. If you opt internal and here in BP grouping, and if you opt external here in the, in the customer account group, whereas you have maintained the same number range, means, you have to do the master data synchronization with same number. It should be active. Otherwise, another option, maintain internal number here, maintain internal number here also. Okay. Here also internal number, here also internal number, and numbers range should be, both should be same, but don't activate it. Don't activate the MDS. Just only combine these two. Combine these two and don't activate the same number. Then try to create the customer you will get. I will show you. Just OVT0. Okay. I have created IN something I have created. INBP. Okay. This INBP I have created. I have maintained SIMG. Go to cross-functional, cross-application component, and here the SAP business partner, basic settings. Okay. Then number ranges, define groupings. If you see INBP, internal BP, internal number range BP, INBP. I have sent IC number range. Okay, IC number range. Okay, this I have made as an internal only. Okay, if you see here, number range IC. IC is the number range 53 all series. It is internal. Okay. Now go to the customer account. Customer account group where it will be there under financial accounting. Go to financial accounting, then account payable and receivables, customer accounts, master data, data for preparation. Okay, here the number range, assigned number range is INBP. INBP. For INBP, I have assigned same IC. Let me go here, check the IC. IC. Okay, 53 series, same number range. Here also it is internal. Okay. Let me show you the master data synchronization. MDS. Okay. Then CVI. Okay. Then business partner setting. Setting for customer integration. Field assignments. Assign keys. Define direction to this thing. Okay. Just scroll. INBP to INBP. See, same number is not active. I have created customer also. You can see here BP, enter 53 series. If you double click, see, this is my customer 53000. If I extend it to the customer accounting role, you can see the customer code also. See, 5300. 5300. Only these two options are available. Other than these two, so you cannot able to create the customer code.
Sir, do we have T code for number ranges?
So just
Maintenance
go
number.
to here. Okay, that screen. If you click on this transaction, so you can observe in this where you can see. Let me go here. So this is the T code. This is the T code for
Yeah, okay.
okay master data synchronization. V underscore TBD 001. Okay. So to remember the T codes, so just to identify the T codes, you have to do this like this. Sorry, where customer business partner, right? SAP business partner, and define number range. This one only, right?
Yeah.
So you have to go here. BUCF. If you open here, again try to BUCF. See?
Yeah.
Otherwise, what you have to do? Simple. I have shown, right? Initial SIMG. Enter. Okay. SIMG enter. So additional information, display key, IMG activity. You will get this information. Okay. If you go drop down this, so you can see the create number ranges for account. This one, XDN1, last 4 digits.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, got it.
So this is about the, because I thought yesterday only want to discuss. Okay. Want to tell about this, but because of the time constraint, I could not able to get a chance to explain this. Fine, guys. Have a happy evening and happy night. So, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome. So ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay.
Yes, sir.